What is the HTML article element used for? Imagine browsing a news website or reading a blog post. Have you ever wondered how each story or article is kept separate and easy to identify? That's where the HTML article element comes into play. It is a special tag used to mark up a piece of content that stands on its own. Think of it as a container for a complete story or a standalone section. This helps browsers, search engines, and screen readers understand the structure of your web page better. When you use the article element, you are telling the computer that this chunk of content is a self-contained unit. For example, a blog post, a news story, or even a user comment can be wrapped in an article tag. Each of these pieces can be read independently, making your web page more organized. This is especially useful when you have many similar pieces of content on one page, like multiple news articles or product reviews. Using the article element also adds meaning to your web page. Instead of just grouping things with generic containers like divs, you give the content a clear purpose. This is part of Semantic HTML5, which helps machines and people understand your page better. It makes your website more accessible for people using screen readers and improves how search engines find and rank your content. In practical terms, each article usually contains a heading and related content. For example, a news story might have a headline, a date, and the story itself. When you wrap this in an article element, it becomes a complete, independent piece. If you have a list of blog posts, each one can be inside its own article tag, making the page easier to navigate and understand. This approach aligns with organizing content with sections and structuring your layout clearly. It helps you create web pages that are not only visually appealing but also meaningful and easy for everyone to use. Remember, the article element does not change how your page looks by itself. You can style it with CSS to make each article stand out or look uniform. The main benefit is that it makes your content more logical and accessible. So, if you want your web page to be well-structured and easy to understand, use the article element for each complete piece of content. It helps organize your page semantically, making it better for users and search engines alike. This simple tag is a powerful tool in building clear, meaningful, and accessible websites.